Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, yeah. You know I'm winning, getting on me, chicken dinner. You already know I'm spinning, the block, my really doing this high. I just might stay on the beat, going like crazy. And I'm cooking that meat, up, right in the pot. You know, I do it a lot, I just might come to your spot, and then I go and Millie rock, damn. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, who? Hey. Anyway, what's up, y'all? It's your boy DP, and I'm back on the damn Sauceware channel. How y'all doing? Y'all see me with the damn beanie and such. I think I'm kind of swagged out personally with the. That was kind of standard. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be using samples today. And making beats with samples, as you know, I usually don't do because you know I'm more of a all natural. But the thing is, Sauceware is coming out with a new VST called Scorch, and I'm gonna be using samples from that today. The samples that I'm using today, as well as 20 others, will be in the description below. All the samples that I'm using today are made in Scorch, which is Sauceware's new plugin. And I also had a chance to check out Scorch, and really, I really like it. I like the interface. I like the aesthetic of it. I like how it has like built-in effects and everything. I mean, it really looks lit if you ask me. And I can't wait to actually use it in some beats very soon. As you'll hear in the samples that I end up playing, you can really just see that it's super unique, you know, just really litty as hell. The sounds were made by like actual like legit sample makers, you know, industry rap people and everything. So really, it's gonna give you exactly what you need, exactly what you're looking for. Why are you looking for trap stuff and goddamn drum and bass preset packs? Okay, you look stupid, not gonna lie to you. And also, Scorch has a built-in chord generator, so you know you don't have to worry about clicking in notes. Scorch just makes it all easy. You can just load this thing up and just go crazy. You know. That being said, if you like videos so far, comment what you want to see next. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more from me and the others on this channel. And shoot, let's get into this beat. So here's the sample that I chose today from the sample pack. Oh my gosh, that shit goes crazy. Okay, anyway. Yeah, so I'm gonna just lay down a pattern here. I'm gonna probably do it in 4s and then actually combine them all to 8. But yeah, first we're gonna do 4s. Pro tip when making like darker kind of like Travis Scott type things, what I like to do is I always like to swing my hat. So pretty much you'll start right here, you just go to the wrench tool and then just bring this up till it sounds good. I'm actually do a 4-step pattern and just copy it over, and then Alt scroll wheel, bring it down a little bit, add a little extra bounce to the hi-hats. Yeah, kind of switching around the just the regular 2-step pattern just to kind of subvert expectation, make you kind of keep thinking what's going on with the hats a little bit. Yeah, just trying to fill up, you know, some space, kind of have a nice little bounce to it. That's what I'm really doing right now. Not gonna lie, this sample is kind of crazy right now. I ain't even gonna lie to you. We got a good bounce now, so we're gonna EQ the sample a little bit because it's a little bit low. And then we're gonna get this bass going and just go nuts. Whenever it comes to like EQing a lot of samples and stuff, don't cut out too much. Don't be one of those guys that's like this. Like, no, bro. Like peel that thing back a little bit, you know. I like to keep just enough of the like, just keep enough bass to like to not make the melody feel like flat, but still have some dimension to it, but also isn't taking too much space from the 808. Another tip, also when you want to make your 808 hit harder, click this little effects target. I don't know what that thing is, but you click that and you just turn up this EQ button. I like to turn this up instead of boost, because boost just makes it sound like weird and like nasty. Like, I mean, it hits hard, but like I feel like it's a little too overbearing, so I just like to turn up the EQ. It gives the same effect but cleaner, but still makes the thing hit hard. See? Turning the attack and the release down. Then I like to put a thing here just randomly, and then just Control L to connect all the notes. I just like to cut in wherever I want the 808 to hit. Yeah, so then and then I Control A, and then pretty much just shortened all of these. It kind of gives it that classic like Wonder Girl like bounce, you know. If you listen to Wonder Girl, you know what I'm talking about. And your culture, love you. I'ma do it. Fuck it. I'm about to say, you know what I want to do, but sometimes he's gotta do it to him. Oh my god, it's kind of hard. Wait, whoa, that was hard. Wait. Grab a quick little kick or something. Who is he? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Beat is pretty much done, so we're gonna just figure out what we want as far as like the structuring goes. And yeah. I'm back. I was just structuring and everything. It was probably a weird cut or whatever, but yeah. I had to structure the beat, and I didn't really get too much into the structure because it was more about just the beat and showcasing the sample and just, you know, and what Scorch can do in the right hands. But yeah, I mean, I'd like to be a lot. Went kind of crazy to me. Everything in here was made with Scorch, and it was just lit. I highly recommend it to anybody. Alright, with that being said, go download the free samples down in the description box. You don't want to miss it. They're all made in the Sauceware instrument called Scorch. Excellent VST. And yeah, just make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel to hear more about Scorch in the coming weeks. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.